In this video, I'll be showing you how to make MacBook screen stay on for longer. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to stop your MacBook screen from turning off or going to sleep too quickly, you need to adjust this display sleep idle timers. And since Mac OS separates these power limits into two distinct layout profiles, one for when you're running on the internal battery and one for when you're plugged into a wall outlet, you must adjust both to keep the display active. So look at the absolute top left corner of your MacBook display and click on the Apple menu icon, then go ahead and select System Settings. Now on the left sidebar, you're going to see a lot of different things, but go over to Lock Screen, which is going to be one of the options. And now look at the right hand panel and you're going to see two primary configuration timing drop down menus. Turn display off on battery when inactive, mine's on 2 minutes, and then turn display off on power adapter when inactive as well. So you can switch it to whatever you want, but obviously if you want to, just switch it to never, and then the same thing for turn display off battery when inactive. You can switch that to never as well. And that's it, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.